what's your oil price band and what's the low?
We're actually quite a bit higher than all the banks. I think it gives me a little bit of pause, but also a bit of assurance when all the banks are kind of talking about 50s to 60s. We are more like $75 to $80 for the simple reason that, look, actually the micro fundamentals for oil look absolutely fine. Stocks have been drawing counter-seasonally for the first 2 months of the year, building a little bit now as is seasonal. We've still got sanctions coming, we believe, on Iran and Venezuela. We've already seen that being announced. The challenge, of course, and I think that's where the downside risk comes from, is global growth. A lot of the tariff policies and then just generally a lot of the policies coming out of the U.S., the uncertainty it's causing, that's where I think the second half of the year could look potentially precarious if global growth slows down. Having said that, we are one of the lowest when it comes to our oil demand growth projections at only 800,000 barrels per day. So also at these price levels, supplies are just not going to rise. I think that was the message out of CERAWeek as well in terms of U.S. supplies. I mean, that's now the floor, right? We need a minimum of these kind of prices if U.S. is going to even hold flat.